Those fingers there.
You know my knife
Oh,
skills. Come
snap.
Between coaching, practice, and parenting a new baby, we need easy to prepare, wholesome, and healthier meals we can turn to keep us feeling nourished and energized in what's our new normal.
Lay it on there. Come on.
on. You know I don't skim.
This 20-minute lemon garlic shrimp pasta is our go-to. It's packed with protein from the shrimp, but also Now's organic quinoa pasta that serves up 5 grams of protein per serving. It's truly a minimal prep meal that's on our weekly rotation because it's that easy and that delicious. Seriously, we know you'll love it. Enjoy.
Add some razzle dazzle. Taste test.
Yeah.
So good.
Great job.
Give me a real high five. Yes.